Leave it. Leave it. No, you're fine. Here. Sit for damn sake. I'm gonna leave this open in case we gotta beat feet. Leave it open. Okay, we're set. Here, come on. Here, here. Leave it. Come on. Hey. Come on. Everything on the back side of the house is dark, so I can't see anything moving or anything like that. Leave them alone. Watch the house. Nine, watch the house. Nine. Leave it. Leave it. Watch out. Good. Did we knock? Okay, I was just curious if they alerted and we were here, if we knocked. I couldn't hear anything from back here. Yeah, I see somebody at the back of the house now. Is that him? Okay. They're in contact with somebody. No. There's somebody here, but... Here, leave it. Oh, stop. Let's just quit. Hey. Hey. We can get out of the back. They've got him secure, it looks like. I'll let you go. There we go. Let me get back. Here. 9. Here. Oh, stop. Give it. Platz. Oui, Platz. Here. Platz. Enough. Platz. Pfui, Platz. Platz. Hey, Platz. Platz. Hey, Platz. Pfui, Platz. Black. Hey, enough. Pfui, leave it. Sit. 9. Sit. Here. Sit. 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 Hey, sit. Sit.
Keep it where at. Put your chest on the car, dude. Yeah, there you go. So I'm not used to getting arrested. I don't do shit wrong. Ever. You have warrants. I have warrants because I was harassed by Judge Nichols. He cracked me, he put a bolo on me and my daughter. On the way home to school after my license had legally suspended. And I have a paid attorney that was in court that I've been texting all day. Do you want this chain to go with you, or do you want to stay with me? Get a white pair of low-cut socks.
Leave it.
Why didn't you go with her? Not all the time are you allowed to not go. have to go on one.
I can tell you right now, docket sounding, you gotta go. Docket sounding is the last one before trial. If you didn't show up for docket sounding, that's a failure to appear.
I only went to one docket sounding.
There's only ever one.
No, we had like 10 docket.
You're talking about pre-trial?
No, I've had 10, got like 8 docket sounding. They just keep extending it because they got no. I'm innocent.
Well, this time all I can tell you is the judge signed the warrant, so you have a failure to appear. The worst thing you could do is retreat into a dark house. You don't.
And I announced myself.
You know who I am, Adam.
Do you know who I am?
I know you're someone who just made me nervous over there. Well, I don't know what you have in the house. You threatened us with. You threatened us with weapons last
Because that sickles was here, right?
That was not sick. That was myself. You threatened me with a weapon already, so when you go run into a dark house, I'm not going to let you go get something. The answer to the door would have easily talked to you, just brought you outside.
You have to understand, I dealt with this. You know, my dead girlfriend that has been dead for after his
I'm sorry about
He's
that.
alive. He's alive.
She's alive.
Yes, and law enforcement is involved.
I was there for that, okay? I went to see her body on the table.
We're going to try to get you some help, okay? Are you receptive to that?
Hey.
Watch your elbow, bud.
Good boy. That's a good boy. You guard mama. Yeah. You guarding mama from behind, huh? That's great. Good boy. All right. You want to go load up? Take a break. Hey, take a break. Take a break. Let's call for alcohol. Take a break. Just pee. Come on. Take a break. Just take a break. Come on. You don't need to look at it. Just go. Take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Good boy. Come on. Load up. Wanna load up? Good. Up. Aw, man. Good. Hey, you thirsty? Hey. Hey. I need your thing. Sit. Back up. Where's your collar? Where's your collar? Where's your collar? Oh, it's back there. Hang on. Hang on a second. Take it. Blind.
So when I sergeant's in there,
Like they said, they reported the security guard reported 2 gunshots. On the police report, there's only 1. I never got my gun back. There was enough blood to kill 5 deserters. So I don't know.
She is, from what I'm understanding, my partner, she is dead.
I'm not convinced of that. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we are certainly not going to do anything to hide that, or there's no benefit to lie about someone's suicide. You know what I'm saying?
I wouldn't think so. That's why it took me 4.5 years to get here.
Sorry.
Was it you?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll explain here in a second.
Alright.
Can you be chill if I put these up front?
And